What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing video. So I got about $4,000 in suspension parts over Black Friday. So today we're just going to unbox them and do a quick inventory, make sure we got everything we were supposed to be getting. And then because this weekend the car is going to D&E alignment in Escondido, and she'll be getting all those parts installed. So pretty excited for that, because that's a pretty much entirely new rear suspension and then coilovers all around. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, get her out of the garage, and get to unboxing. So also, for kind of a side note for those who watched my last video, I cleaned up underneath the car and then put this down, and so far I have zero oil dropping from the car. Still not sure where that oil is coming from, but I don't know. Figure that out eventually. Alright, so to the unboxing. So I already kind of started a little bit, but this is a full set, front and rear. H&R Coilovers, super nice. So everything I read about these, all the reviews and the stuff online, is that, well, I haven't seen a single review saying anyone does not like these. So these are the rears, fronts up here. Get one of these bad boys out. Super heavy. Yeah, these are progressive rate struts. No real, not like crazy adjustment, but they're supposed to be like super nice. And then, yeah, I mean, the quality looks amazing. Like, both the front and the rears just look awesome from what I can see in here. But they're also super freaking heavy. Like, this box weighs about 100 pounds. And just gonna put that back in here. I actually had to dig into these yesterday, see if I had a part, or see if they came with a little buffer for the rear, but they don't. So shop and bring it to you. As is ordering that. It should be here over the weekend, which would be nice, so I can get these all mounted up. Super Pro. Let's see. Got my knife. So I've got some Super Pro strut tower mounts. Just like the HRs, I mean, I haven't heard anyone say a bad thing about these. Packaging instructions. Okay. I'm going. Lower control arms. Sick. Alright, so we've got some adjustable lower control arms for the rear. These are freaking hefty, man. Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, Pontiac actually had a recall for their lower control arms. I think mine got that recall service because they actually look like they're in pretty good shape, but since I'm going to H&R Coilovers and Coilovers in general, I wanted to upgrade my lower control arms so that they're adjustable, so that when it comes to doing alignments and stuff. There won't be any issues. Or at least there shouldn't be any issues. Alright. What do we got next? Guy. Christmas. Alright, I think these feel like sway bar Endlinks. And they are. So we can get into that here. Come on. Oh, good. Yeah. So adjustable Endlinks for the sway bar. Really easy for the rear, if you're wondering. Good enough. This should be the sway bar. It's the only box that really makes sense for it. So I went with full BMR suspension, other than the Super Pro strut mounts and H&R Coilovers, so everything else under the car would be BMR. So this is, I believe, 22mm sway bar for the rear, adjustable. Can't exactly remember the number, but I'm pretty sure it's 22. And they do like a 26 for the front. Either a 26 or a 28. Everything under there, minus the HR springs that are on there right now, or it's stock suspension. So, I think these are the upper control arms. Yeah, that's what they look like. Come on. Upper control arms for the rear. Guys. Tell you what, these are packaged pretty good, so. Alright, so. Adjustable trailer arms. Nice. Alright, so this should be the final piece. The trailer rod, I believe. Yeah. Oh yeah. Those are super nice. Fully adjustable. Tons of adjustment. both sides. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. All right, so excited to put this shit on the car. Put all this stuff on the car. Yes, the ride's gonna be completely different. Basically, it's gonna be a brand new touchdown. And last box, I believe, is just spark plugs, but we'll go ahead and open it up anyways. Pretty sure this is just spark plugs. Sets, yeah. Two sets of spark plugs. The NGK spark plug TR6s. Because I do need to actually change my plugs, so got a couple sets since they're on sale. So, good. Alright, so that is it for the parts opening. I just got a little of this crap in the trunk. And it should be ready for the weekend. And I'll be make sure to do a full video review of the parts once they're installed in the vehicle, and let you know how they work, or let you know how they feel, because I mean it's going to be a completely different ride for me, because right now most of that suspension is over 10 years old, so it's pretty worn. All the bushings are super shot. Like, this is gonna make this car feel completely different, which is awesome, because that's what it needs. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, go like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. See ya.